Stop buying pliers that slip, bind, or waste drawer space. Klein's J2038 is the durable default. Choose Stanley for occasional jobs on a budget. Choose by workload, access, comfort, and tool budget. For frequent home repairs, buy the Klein J2038 heavy-duty Journeyman pliers. They're built for homeowners who regularly pull, twist, cut, or retrieve objects from awkward spaces. Strong jaws, steady movement, and comfortable leverage make this the pair I'd expect to keep for years. The catch is a higher cost and a sturdier shape that sacrifices some fine access. Skip it if you only need pliers for rare, lightweight jobs. For a starter toolbox, choose the Stanley 89 to 870 FatMax Long Nose Pliers. They handle essential grabbing and twisting without charging you for premium refinement. That makes them good value for occasional repairs and basic household projects. But the thicker nose is less agile in cramped areas, while the grip and pivot feel less polished. Skip them if you work frequently, need precise access, or prioritize lasting hand comfort. Quick split. Choose Klein for frequent repairs, stronger leverage, and long-term ownership. Choose Stanley for occasional household jobs when keeping the initial cost down matters more than refinement. Before buying, check your tightest work areas, expected workload, grip preference, and available toolbox space. Don't pay for heavy-duty construction you'll rarely use. Start with the Klein if you tackle repairs regularly and want one dependable pair. Switch to Stanley if use will be occasional and value matters more than finesse. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.